like to invite on stage the chairman of IEEE Karachi chapter, Engineer Irfan Ahmed, to address the 35th IEEE Student Seminar's inaugural session.
Rahim. Honorable Professor Dr. Ataur Rahman, Honorable VC DSU, faculty members, engineers, and students. On behalf of the Institution of Electrical and Electronics Engineers, IEEE, Karachi Center, I welcome you all to the 35th IEEE Student Seminar. This seminar has always been an inspiring event for the professional engineers. It carries a great value for all of us. For some, it has a nostalgic value. For others, it is a glance into the future. After more than 45 years of professional engineering experience in Pakistan and abroad, both in public and private sectors, I can say with confidence that the future of engineers will always be bright and limited only because of their own capabilities. You will say, how is that possible? With 50,000 jobless engineers in Pakistan at present, and declining admissions in the technical universities, especially in the field of electrical engineering. ऐसा क्यों है? क्या हमारे बिजली के सारे मसाइल हल हो गए हैं? क्या लोगों ने इलेक्ट्रिक्यूशन से मरना छोड़ दिया है? या शॉर्ट सर्किट की वजह से अब फैक्ट्री में आग नहीं लगती? या हमने ये मान लिया है कि हमारे सारे मसाइल चीनी आकर हल करेंगे? अगर ऐसा नहीं है तो मैं ये कहूँगा कि those who are jobless, those are the people or the engineers who got the degree for a public sector career job. They will remain jobless and insecure even if they get a desk job of their choice. But those who learned the engineering approach, the basic concepts, and the mathematical treatment of technical issues to convert them into solutions in service of mankind are the ones who will create jobs for others, become the upper hand, and open a sea of opportunities for their countrymen, and never get unemployed. Fellow engineers, Pakistan is a land of opportunities. It still is and will remain. Just consider the energy sector. We have enough coal in Thar to meet the current base load requirement of 25,000 megawatts for the next 1,000 years. We have hydel potential of 100,000 megawatts, wind power potential of 400,000 megawatts, and solar potential of 2 million megawatts. And free until the sun lasts, that is for the next 10 billion years. Yet we have load shedding all over the country. The reason is simple. It is not given for job seekers to utilize these opportunities. These blessings are for the job creators. And if the people of the land fail to utilize God's blessings, people from outside would come and utilize these opportunities, for God's blessings are not for those who denied his favors. Please remember CPEC, what is happening there. Chinese are coming in. They are bringing not only their equipments, their goods, they are bringing in labor as well. That's why we are jobless here. But, you know, it's our laziness. Thing is that our inertia is so big in this country that our real time, you know, is in years. Real time वो होता है अगर आप किसी سپوز کی جگہ غلط سمت میں جا رہے ہوں اور آپ نے اس سمت کو صحیح کرنا ہے تو جاتے جاتے اگر اس کورس کریکشن کریں تو اس کے لیے جو وقت چاہیے ہوتا ہے وہ ریئل ٹائم کہلاتا ہے ود ان دا پروسیس اف یو وانٹ ٹو ڈو سم تھنگ. اور خاص طور پہ انرجی سیکٹر میں ہم یہ دیکھ رہے ہیں پچھلے کئی سالوں سے کہ ہمارا جو ریئل ٹائم ہے پاکستان کا وہ کیلکولیٹ جو ہم نے کیا ہے ایوریج 3 ایئرز ہے، جبکہ ڈیولپڈ کنٹریز میں یہ ریئل ٹائم انرجی سیکٹر میں 3 مہینے کا ہے. تو اس طرف ہمیں غور کرنا ہے کہ ہم کر کیا رہے ہیں. اب پانی کی صورتحال دیکھ رہے ہیں. آج سے 5,000 سال پہلے موہنجو ڈورو میں ہر گھر میں پانی کے نکاس کا، پانی کے پہنچانے کا انتظام تھا، اور 5,000 سال کے بعد کراچی کے بہترین علاقوں میں لیٹس DHA وی آر سٹنگ، یہاں پانی نہیں ہے، پینے کا پانی نہیں ہے، جبکہ ہم سمندر کے کنارے بیٹھے ہوئے ہیں. تو یہ کس نے سب کچھ کرنا ہے؟ اپرچونیٹیز ہیں، یہ ہمارے لیے ہیں، یہ سولوشنز ہم نے لے کے آنے ہیں. چینیوں نے کچھ نہیں کرنا ہمارے لیے. کہ bills the Chinese give us is twice that of what Western people used to give us. بہت مہنگے ہیں وہ ہمیں پڑتے ہیں، فری میں کچھ بھی نہیں ہے، لیکن اپرچونیٹیز آر دیئر. As we go along, I think within today, when we are discussing the projects, etc., we will discuss these things as well. But I would say again, nothing is free in this world. And the Chinese who have come here also to deliver us this water, what we need. For example, they are setting up plants in Gawada, and they are delivering us in Karachi from our garbage as well. So this is not free. The bill they give us is twice that of the other countries or other people, and we need dollars to pay them for their services. And if we can't, then God forbid, they'll take a piece of our land, as they have done elsewhere. Piece of our motherland. The situation is serious, and we are all honorable people, and we want everybody to be honorable as well. As Voltaire once said, one should try to do his little best to make men look a little more honorable. So this time, our little best is selection criteria of the best students projects, which will be solution of a pressing local need, suggested usage of local materials and local expertise, local producibility. Our Symposium 2020 on 26th and 27th February this year, in which the top 3 students' papers will be presented and awarded in a special session, is based on the same idea, that is, to make Pakistani engineers honorable and proud of themselves. I wish everybody success, as each one of you who has come this far, that is, that they are participating in this seminar and have the opportunity to present themselves and present their papers, are winners. All of us are winners. Not the 3 which will be selected, but all of you, you are winners. I wish you success.